Hello there techies, my name is MalayVasavada and welcome to my channel. When you are into the communication site or a modern team site in SharePoint Online, we have an option to set different site templates. You can see when I clicked on settings, we see apply a site template. So if you are the site collection administrator or if you are the site owner, you will be able to apply a specific template to the site. Of course, we have a different template for the communication side and a team side, but you get the idea. We have like events, human resource, leadership connection, crisis management department. So what can happen is site owners or the collection administrator can go ahead and select any of the template and can apply it on the site. Now, as a corporate branding, you might not want that to really happen. You want a consistency across all these sites. All the communication sites looks same and all the team sites should look the same. For that, you might want to disable these template options. If I select a crisis management, let's say, it will ask me that here is a template that looks like, and do you want to use it? So I can very well go ahead and click on use template. It will apply the template and change the site into this very template. So let's take a look. So now, as you can see, I was successfully able to apply that template on these communication site. However, we want to prevent that. So first, let's switch back to the original communications site template. Standard communication. Use the template. So what we can do here is either we can disable all the templates, or if you want, we can also disable a specific templates. So let's first see how can we disable a specific templates. For now, we will disable department. So let's go and see how can we do this using PnP PowerShell. Now I have a PowerShell open and I have already imported the PnP PowerShell module and I have connected with the admin center URL. So we need to make sure that the user who is executing the script should either be the SharePoint Online admin or the tenant administrator. After connecting with the admin URL, what we need to set is set PnP site and look for built-in site template settings. Provide the template and you will see all the templates that was visible on a screen is available here. These are the template internal names. So let's select department and let's specify hidden as true. Okay, so we don't want this to be shown. So now, as you can see, it has successfully made the department template hidden. So let's go and check that. Hit refresh. Apply a site template and we no longer see the department template available. Okay, now let's go and disable all the templates. So instead of department, what we can provide is all. So let's go and execute this. And all the templates are now hidden. So let's go and check. Refresh, site template. So now, as you can see, we have blocked all the Microsoft provided templates to be applied on the site. So I hope this simple example helped you to understand how can you block a specific web templates or how can you block all the templates so that site owners or the site collection administrators cannot apply those templates on the sites, whether it's a team site or a communication site. I thank you so much for watching the video.